Welcome back, beautiful souls. Today we are stepping into one of the most empowering postures in yoga. We are going to do the warrior pose, and this posture grounds your body, strengthens your energy, and awakens your inner power. So this is a standing pose that builds strength, focus, and courage. It opens up the chest, strengthens the legs, and it connects us deeply to the earth while we're lifting our energy upward. So we're doing the warrior one. So step on your right foot forward and left foot back, turning it about 45 degrees outwards, and bend your front knee over the ankle. Press firmly into both feet and square your hip forward. And sweep your arms up towards the sky. Reach through your fingertips, lift your chest, and breathe deeply here. We're awakening our inner fire and the energy channels throughout the entire body. Our hands are gathering the energy from the cosmos, and energy comes through the fingertips. And we're like cups, and this cosmic energy is now filling our bodies with this beautiful energy. We're activating our personal power, courage, and confidence. We are on the energetic level. We are also strengthening the energetic foundation while opening the heart space. And this helps us feel more focused and grounded. And on the physical level, we are building the strength in the legs, glutes, and core. We are opening the chest and shoulders with enhancing the posture and breath. And we are also encouraging stability and balance, and improving and supporting our healthy spine alignment. So here we are working with our root chakra, our Muladhara chakra, this grounding and stabilizing chakra here. And secondly, we're also working with our Svaristhana, our creativity and emotional balance center here. And thirdly, we're working with the solar plexus chakra, which is all about the personal power and the confidence. And finally, we are working with the heart chakra, our Anahata, which is all about openness, love, and compassion. And now just close your eyes, and we're going to take a few moments here to say the affirmations. I am a peaceful being. I am a pure being. I am calm and stable always. I am perfect healthy. Being happy and calm is natural for me. Everything is always working out for me. All is well with me. I am deeply rooted to Mother Earth. I am safe. I am grounded. I am secure. I am a pure being. I have more than enough. This time of now is perfect. Everything is perfect. I am a peaceful soul. I am a powerful soul. I am a royal soul. My heart is pure. My mind is pure. My body is pure. I am a giver. I am a giver of love. I am a giver of ease. I am a giver of power. I am a giver of healing. I am a giver of light. All is well with me. Thank you. And now, gently come out from the pose. And thank yourself for taking this time for yourself and give this nourishment to your body. Lots of love to you. Have a beautiful day. Bye.